So we're in the middle of a bear market. What do you need when times are tough? We need a thick skin. And today we're looking at RHINO.fi, the new name for Diversify, with a new vision as well, a layer 2 gateway to multi-chain DeFi. It's a big claim. There's a lot going on here. We're going to give it a try and show you how to get started on this crazy new adventure that they're on. That's coming up. There are a few platforms that put security first while helping you make the most out of your crypto. On Nexo, you can buy crypto with a card in seconds and automatically start earning interest paid out daily. If you want to restructure your portfolio when the time comes, jump on Nexo's instant exchange and get rewards on every swap. Borrowing against your crypto without selling is easy with rates starting at 0%. Nexo is the place for your crypto where you can securely buy, earn, exchange, borrow, and store your assets through the market cycles. Visit nexo.io and play the long game right. BitRefill allows you to shop online and physically without banks, converting your crypto into merchant balance directly without any sign-up. It offers more than 5,000 gift card options in 180 countries, and in the USA, you can now pay bills like your mortgage or credit card. Creating a BitRefill account is not required, but it only takes 1 minute, and you can get 1% back in rewards. Web3 is not a thrift shop, so stop using vintage tools. Block Wallet is the first self-custodial wallet for a modern DeFi user. It packs all the features you'd expect while keeping you safe and productive. Block Wallet stops you from leaking your IP address on Web3 like a VPN for blockchain. And with Flashbots protection, you literally save money on each trade. Protect yourself from phishing attacks, monitor gas prices, connect to any dApp, and simply enjoy the experience. Block Wallet is available on Chrome or Brave browsers today. So RHINO isn't really new. It used to be called Diversify, and as they cheekily say in this tweet, so why the rebrand, you ask? Well, we know that spelling diversifier was a diversify or diversifier was harder than playing blackjack in a blindfold. There's more to it than that. There used to be a DEX with a very specific set of properties using layer 2 technology to enable traders to actually trade on a DEX as if they were trading on a KEX, which is kind of fun. But now they're calling themselves a fully fledged multi-chain hub, a gateway that brings you all the best opportunities on DeFi in a single place without complex bridges, new wallets, or pointless network fees. The shill is this. There's a whole bunch of fun stuff going on layer 2s. It's cheaper. It's where the juice really should be. Layer 2 is this extraordinary proliferation of different projects, but this is a bit of a pain to get over there. What RHINO is saying is, don't worry about that. Park your tokens here with us. We're safe. We're good. By the way, you can play on Arbitrum. You can play on Polygon. I'm sure they'll add a bunch more as well. If you believe in the Layer 2 future, which, I mean, if you saw our video last week on ZK EVMs, then probably you should do as well. This is going to be a place where if you're serious about trading, you can actually trade on DEXs at this super fast speed and take advantage of opportunities on the likes of Arbitrum and Polygon as well. They also say rhinos have a thick skin. Times are tough out there. And hilariously enough, a group of rhinos called a crash. I didn't know that. But also this is what limeys like myself used to call money in the 17th century. What's the betting that the team behind this are British? Right. Well, let's take a look. So this is the shell. This is the future of DeFi. Let's grab it by the horns. Very good. A better way to do multi-chain. There's a few different ways to do multi-chain. Using bridges sucks. We know this. It's not really the future, but it is the now. So RHINO.fi lets you glide between chains without complex bridges or network switches, and we're totally self-custodial. So no matter where you go, you'll keep full privacy and control of your funds. And we'll dig into it in a second, but they've got a few different products here. There's an invest one where you can earn yield on staked Matic. There's a swap one where you can swap cross-chain or native Ethereum tokens in a matter of seconds, they say. Thanks, that's all we need. We're just going to update your balances now. Why not explore RHINO.fi while you wait? So we're just waiting for those confirmations to come through, 5 out of 10, but we can go ahead and look at the rest of the platform. So here's the trade tab. And it looks kind of like a KEX. It's a little bit slower. Again, I think this is my internet connection being a little slow. But if we click on the BTC USDT chart, let's see, if we click on 30 minutes, we should get a normal looking trading view chart. There we go. With all the bells and whistles, you've got your usual, you can change how you want it to appear. Nothing too confusing here. Oh, that's not looking so good for Bitcoin, is it, right now? And then your usual tools. So you can treat this like